name is Melody. I'm going to show you tonight Usborne's Pullback Busy Bug book. This is a great book for your younger learner who is not quite ready for our wind-ups where you have to like really turn the little plastic wind-up. So if their fine motor skills are not quite there, the busy books are great for them. So this one is the Ladybug. We'll go ahead and turn to the back and get it out. It is $24.99 for this great book. And then we'll start at the beginning to show you. So you do have a little bit of a story. The busy bug is trying to get home. Follow her as she travels around the garden. And so I'll show you how it works. So you take the bug and you're just going to pull her right back and pull back, and then you're going to let her go. Isn't that great? And there she goes. And it does need to be flat. You can see here it's not totally flat. So if you want to, for the best results, just prop a little book or just hold this while you're doing it with your child. And then I love the little blurbs here. On the way home, or on the way she spotted some blue flowers and a purple bug. Can you? So you're looking, your child is looking and exploring the book. I love that. And it's a beautiful butterfly, around the beautiful butterfly. Then you turn the page and there's a new track. You can see it says start there. Busybug wriggles along the ground and she's going. She saw a hungry caterpillar and a little orange butterfly. Can you see them? So again, you have the visual discrimination, the searching, and look at that happy frog. And we'll see if we can get the busybug to go again. It's really hard to do this one-handed. And hold a phone. Oh, okay, we'll try that. And there she goes. And again, she would have gone a lot farther if you pulled her back all the way. So that is just a fun book, a great gift. Busybug saw 3 spotted bugs and a snail. Can you? So again, counting. A lot of fun. And then here you go again. That's the last one. So this is just a great fun book, a great Christmas or birthday gift. Again, it's $24.99. To purchase this book and other great Usborne books, please go to my website, usbornebookbarn.com. You can see more videos and buy the books. Thanks so much for watching.